Okay, here's what we'll do. Meron din kayo pencil sa loob ng seat ninyo. I want you to write your name on all of those shapes. Lagay nyo yung nickname ninyo or the name you want to be called by your friends. Sige, sulat ko ninyo mga names ninyo. Unang na lang nila. Dr. Bass. Kahit wala ng dedication na pangalan lang. There should be 2 hearts, 2 stars, and 2 sad faces on your kit. Pakilagyan ng pangalan bawat isa. Ito ang limit natin when you're in session hall. Always wear your name buttons, okay? Ready? Mr. Toma. Bigates ng Paligono. Okay. Ang bigate ng Bulacan. Cassidy. Team number 3. Nagtatago sa likod pero hindi natin siya pagtataguin. Wearing a loud orange polo shirt. Happy Merly.